Hello student, good morning. I am Sandeep Singh and today I am going to explain about chapter 3, the weather and climate. In this section, you have to give in this exercise some reasons. You have to give some reasons and explain it about why this is happened. Okay? This reason occur here. So let's start now. The first reason is Kodaikanal lies within the torrid zone, yet it is pleasant summer. Yes, Kodaikanal lies in torrid zone, yet it has pleasant summer. Why? You have to given this reason. So let's start. Let's see here. Kodaikanal is lies in the southern part of India in Tamil Nadu in Nilgiri Hills. Okay, and Kodaikanal situated on the Nilgiri Hills above the near about 1700 feet meters high. Okay, 7505 meters above high of the sea levels. So you all of know that the altitude of the place have fall of the temperature while the increase the height. Okay, so the Kodaikanal had experienced pleasant in summer. Okay, now next is in Rajasthan, we hardly sweat, while Kolkata and Chennai we sweat almost throughout the year. Okay? While Kolkata and Chennai have sweat throughout the year, but in Rajasthan we hardly sweat. Give the reason. That is, distance from the sea of a place have low humidity. When we go from far away from the sea, the humidity is decreased and the coastal areas have very high humidity due to the sea. Okay, so in Chennai and Kolkata has high humidity. Okay, these cities are located near the sea, and by the sea it experiences the high humidity throughout the year. But Rajasthan is far away from the sea, so it has low humidity and we hardly sweat here. Okay, now next reason is Simla in Himachal Pradesh and attract many tourist attractions during summer. Simla is located on the Himachal range, which is the part of the Himalayas. Okay, and its height is above the 500 meters. Okay, and you all have known that every 105 meters we have gone altitude, the temperature decrease 1 degree centigrade. Okay, so Simla is above the 500 meters, so it has pleasant summer, and during the summer it has low temperature below 25 or 20 degree centigrade. So here many people travel to hill station like Dehradun, Mussoorie, Nainital, Simla in summer for escape of the heat of the student. In your exercise there are some questions are given. So we look at the question and I will try to give your answer. Okay, so let's start now. The first question is, write the differences weather and climate. What are differences between weather and climate? Okay, so answer is, weather is a atmospheric condition of a place over a long period of time. Over a long period of time. Okay, it's called climate. Okay, it has been over the near about 30 years. Atmospheric condition can be above the 30 years, maybe that condition may be continue. And next is climate. Weather. Weather is a atmospheric condition of a place over a short period of time. Student, be attentive please. Here is long, but in weather is short span of time. Okay, short span of time. It means the atmospheric condition can be changed into hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day, 2 days. That is condition are called weather. Okay, while some place here snow, some place where hot, so it is called the weather. Next question is, how does latitude affect the climate of a place? Explain with the help of diagram. How does latitude affect of a place? Okay, latitude are distance from the equator. Latitude means it has distance from equator, and towards the northern or southern from equator, the temperature has been decreased. Okay, so the further on the goes from the equator, or colder the it gets. Therefore, places near the equator hotter and places higher latitude are cooler than. Okay, where here the sunlight is directly hit here equator, so here is the hot, and towards the north and south the climate is cool. That's why. Okay, next question is, explain how altitude of a place affect its climate. Student, look here that the sun light has directly on the surface of the earth, but some parts of the height of the surface at mountains. Okay, on the surface of the earth there are atmosphere also found here. Okay, and it can be found in some layers, and the sun directly hit on the surface of the earth and first hit the surface of the earth, and from surface the layer of the first atmosphere can be heat, and more than the other layer of the surface heat. Okay, so the surface below the surface of the layer can be more than heat than other higher latitude. So in the mountain region have the cooler climate, whether the plain area. Okay, next question is, mention any two ways in which wind can affect the climate. Okay, warm winds that howl in from the sea are full of moisture. They have rainfall, and coastal areas the winds that blow from the desert are not hot and dry. They raise the temperature of the lands over which the blows. The winds that blows from hotter area where they blow, they can be change their climate hot or hot. Okay. Whether the winds blow from the cooler area, they can change of a place that in cool. Okay. So the winds are also affect the climate. So there are some questions given in your question. That's all of our students. Goodbye. Thank you.